something there. Must be a kitty cat. Here, kitty, kitty. Ooh, get him, Donnie. Yeah. Whoa. Stand down there. Such a wimpy rod. Probably not that big. Channel cat, I think. Alright. Will it break the line? Probably not. Here we go. No, that's a bullhead. He's hooked his both hooks. Been busy, haven't you, Mr. Bullhead? Not all that big, but it's big for a little dinky rod. Bingo! Oh, yeah, that's a fat one. Look at that, Donnie. Huh? That's a fat one. Yeah. He's not that big, I guess. Toodaloo. Oh, he's a good diver, though, wasn't he? And people say, oh, it don't matter what you throw in there, they'll eat it. Bullshit. Oh. There's another one. What do you think, Donnie boy? You ready to catch one? That's a good bait size for a bass. Yeah. Man, we're kicking their butts. Got him. We've been busy. That's Donnie's rod. They just wanted me to change rods, that's all.